Hey, what's going on YouTube? Will here from All Electric, back again with another video, and today we're going to check out the Toro's newest tools on their 60 volt line. That is this bladed edger for long sidewalks or your driveway, and this pole saw. In this video, you're going to get my complete review of both of these products from Toro. That's part of their 60 volt line. Go ahead and check out my playlist from Toro up here in the corner, and let's jump right in. Okay, we are going to start by unboxing the pole saw, which is pretty normal. There's nothing new in this box. There's two different versions that you can buy. On both of these items, you can buy it with a battery and charger or without. So if you're already in the Toro ecosystem, then you can skip the battery and the charger and it'll save you 50 bucks. Not bad. That is the same price for both of these. I did check Toro's website, so it's $250 for if you want the battery and charger, and it's 200 bucks if you don't. So in the box, you can see there are directions. There is a tool, which is nice, and it's kind of like an elongated chainsaw. So if you have the Toro chainsaw, or if you've used a chainsaw before, then you know. Now, besides clicking the pole together, there is some assembly, and all that assembly really is putting the chain on. And so if you've used a chainsaw like I just said, then this is going to be really straightforward. The chain is in a bag, and just make sure that you get the chain in the proper direction. So there is a little diagram on the actual device, kind of right above where the chain sits, and then also on the chain, look for the arrow so that those two arrows are moving in the same direction. You can see mine was actually backwards here, so I did have to flip it around. So the chain has an arrow, and the actual Toro pole saw has an arrow as well. So once you put that around, then you can just put it on. I do like how this actually comes on. There is no tools required besides the tool that you need, which is just a flathead, and because this has like a hand tightener thing, so it makes it really user friendly, especially if you're not using a pole saw on a daily basis. It's kind of nice to have. Now, much like a chainsaw, you do have some adjustment to tighten up the chain when it is on with your little tightening screw right there on the other side of your kind of hand crank to take the chain on and off. So really nice design. I'm happy with it. It is rather long and pretty bulky. Not too heavy though. I do have a 2.5 amp hour battery that I had from another Toro product. It is pretty long. Now in this next clip, you're gonna see I'm gonna cut a branch, and it cuts right through the branch rather quickly. And you can see I'm more interested in how the tool is cutting versus paying attention to the branch falling. So yeah, that was a negative experience for sure. So as you can see, got whacked pretty good. Thankfully, it didn't knock my teeth out and just hit my chin. But really impressed with the power that this saw has. It easily cut through these logs I had lying around. So I feel very confident that I could cut any sort of tree limb that was high up in a tree. Now, let's move on to the actual edger. So I'm gonna fold up this pole saw first so you can see it folds up in such a nice compact size, so really easy to store. Like I said, I'm not going to be using this every day, and neither will you probably. So really nice to see that you can easily, just with a push of a button, fold this back up. Now inside the box of the cordless stick edger, I do have a battery. So this is the $250 version that comes with a battery and a charger. So you do have a handle also. So I do like the new charger. I'm not sure if it works on all their batteries, but really this one is super straightforward. Once you get the plastic off, there's little one push button, same mechanism as on the pole saw. And once you get that in, then that is it. And you can take the plastic off and you are good to go. Now this feels really lightweight. It feels just like a regular gas powered one that I have used before. And so really easy with that back wheel to kind of cruise along a sidewalk and create a nice, really nice, clean edge. As you can see here, super easy to operate, very lightweight, and excellent quality as you would expect with any Toro product. And this 60 volt model is no different. All right, there you have it. That's my full review. If you're interested in these products, check the link down below in the description. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one.